Good morning traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the complete pre-market analysis for Nifty, including the latest global market cues, important support and resistance levels, and the predicted direction for today's session. So let's quickly break down everything you need to know before the market opens. Nifty key levels for today. These are your static support and resistance zones, projected from yesterday's market structure. Resistance levels, upside hurdles. R1:25 990, R2 26,065, R3 26,123, R4:26 181, R5:26 239, R6:26 297. Today, the first hurdle for the market is R1, and if momentum builds, Nifty may test R2 R3. But anything beyond R3 of May requires strong global support. Support levels, downside zones. S1 25,835, S2:25 765, S3:25 685, S4:25 590, S5:25 500, S6:25 405. The market is currently trading close to support zones, so S1 and S2 will be crucial levels to watch. Global market analysis. Let's move to today's global cues, which are giving a mixed to negative sentiment. US markets, previous close. Dow Jones, US 30, minus 0.74% negative. This shows clear selling pressure in US markets. Weak US indices typically create caution for Indian markets. Asian markets. Asia, JOR 0.25% flat to positive. Asian sentiment is mild and not strongly supportive. It reduces downside risk but doesn't give strong upside conviction. European markets. Europe, minus 1.62% very negative. This is a major drag. European weakness often influences global risk-off sentiment. USD-INR movement. USD-INR, JOR 0.09% flat positive. A slightly stronger rupee is neutral to mildly supportive for Nifty. Crude oil. Crude, minus 1.48% very negative. Crude falling is positive for India because lower crude reduces import pressure. This can help Nifty hold support zones. What do these cues mean for Nifty? When we combine all these factors. Asian markets slightly positive. Europe very negative. US markets negative. Crude positive. USD-INR neutral to positive. The net sentiment becomes mixed with a negative bias. Final sentiment, flat positive to very negative, meaning Nifty may open flat to slightly positive, but selling pressure may come in later, especially near RA Cardo. Today's price action is likely to be range bound, with downward pressure if European sentiment continues to drag. Trading plan for today: if Nifty opens flat positive, watch rejection candles near R1 25,990 or R2 26,065. Weak global cues may trigger intraday selling from these zones. If Nifty breaks S1 25,835, possible quick move to S2 25,765. Below S2, volatility may increase due to negative Europe JOR weak Dow. If Nifty sustains above R1, could test R2, R3, but upside is limited unless global cues improve. Important note: avoid aggressive long positions unless the market sustains above 26,000 with strong volume. Closing. So that's the complete pre-market analysis for today. We have a market with mixed global cues and a possibility of a volatile session. Expected Nifty direction, flat positive to very negative. Trade safely, follow your levels, and always wait for confirmation. If you found this helpful, do like the video and subscribe for daily Nifty analysis.